Good morning, students. 12th standard business maths, exercise 4.1, fourth chapter differential equations, exercise 4.1, first sum. Find the order and degree of the following differential equations. First one, dy divided by dx plus 2y equal to x cube. So, solution here, highest derivative is what? Dy divided by dx. So, dy divided by dx is the highest derivative. Suppose d square y divided by dx square, then this is the highest derivative. It's a d square y divided by dx square. Here given only dy divided by dx. Its highest derivative is what? 1. So, order is what? 1. Order equal to 1. Next, its power is degree. Its power is what? 1. Not given, so 1. Degree equal to 1. Second sum, d cube y divided by dx cube plus 3 into dy divided by dx whole cube plus 2 into dy divided by dx equal to 0. Its normal powers is given. Its highest derivative is 3. Highest derivative is what? 3. Its order is what? 3. Therefore, its power is what? 1. So, degree is 1. So, order equal to 3, highest derivative. This is a 1, this 1, this is what? 3. So, 3 is the highest derivative. Its power is what? Degree. Degree equal to 1. Third sum, d square y divided by dx square equal to root of y minus dy divided by dx. It is not a normal method. It's a square root. We want to cancel square root. Then we get its degree and order we should find out. So squaring on both sides, d square y divided by dx square whole square equal to, square this side, then square and square root is cancelled, y minus dy divided by dx. Now we should find out the order and degree. Order is what? Is highest derivative. What is the d square y divided by dx square is the highest derivative. This is the dy divided by dx. So highest derivative is 2. So order is what? Equal to 2. Degree is its power. Degree equal to also 2. Fourth sum, d cube y divided by dx cube equal to 0. Its derivative is what? 3. Its therefore order is what? Order equal to 3. Its power is what? 1. So degree equal to 1. Next, fifth sum, d square y divided by dx square plus y equal to minus dy divided by dx minus d cube y divided by dx cube whole power 3 by 2. It's a 3 by 2 is not possible. So we should change it is a power. Then what we do? Squaring on both sides. So square then d square y divided by dx square plus y whole square. Here square then minus is a plus. Square then it is a plus dy divided by dx minus d cube y divided by dx cube whole power 3 by 2 into 2. It's a square. 2 to cancel. So what is the d square y divided by dx square plus y whole square equal to dy divided by dx minus d cube y divided by dx cube whole power 3. So it's a cube a minus b whole cube formula. Cube then last one is a b cube coming. So its highest derivative is what? 3. 3 is the highest. 2, 1. These terms highest is what? 3 is the degree. Therefore order is what? Order equal to 3. Its power is what? We know that b cube is the formula. So d cube y divided by dx cube whole power 3. So order degree also what? 3. equal to 3. Seventh sum, dy divided by dx whole cube plus y equal to x minus dy divided by dx divided by dy. Here dy divided by dx, here dx divided by dy. So dy divided by dx format we have to change. So dy divided by dx whole cube plus y equal to x minus 1 divided by, its reciprocal is what? Dy divided by dx. It's a reciprocal then dx divided by dy. So we should change it is a 1 divided by dy divided by dx. Now cross multiple here, dy divided by dx whole cube into dy divided by dx plus y into dy divided by dx equal to x into dy divided by dx minus 1. Okay, here cross multiple, here take the LCM, x into dy divided by dx minus 1, and then we should take the denominator value dy divided by dx is a left hand side, it's multiple, becomes multiple, dy divided by dx whole cube into dy divided by dx plus y into dy divided by dx. Now dy divided by dx whole cube is whole cube into dy divided by dx is a dy divided by dx whole power 4 plus y into dy divided by dx equal to x into dy divided by dx minus 1. Here dy divided by dx is the derivative, all the terms is a common. So what is the dy divided by dx is a, it's a derivative. Derivative is what order? Order equal to 1. Its degree is what? Dy divided by dx whole power 4. Power is the degree. So 4 is the degree. Degree equal to 4. Second sum, find the differential equation of the following. First one, y equal to cx plus c minus c cube. It's a differentiate, then this constant is eliminated, or we should find out this constant value and substitute in this equation. So first one, differential equation we should find out, differentiate with respect to x, dy divided by dx. Differentiate with respect to x, then dy divided by dx equal to c into x differentiate, then what is the value? 1. C is a constant, differentiate then 0, minus c cube is a constant, differentiate then what is here? 0 minus 0 here. So dy divided by dx equal to c. So we should substitute, this is the equation number 1. Substitute dy divided by dx equal to c. C value we should substitute in the first equation. Substitute c equal to dy divided by dx in 1. Substitute then what is there? Y equal to c value is what? Dy divided by dx. Dy divided by dx into x plus c value dy divided by dx minus c cube value dy divided by dx whole cube. That's all the differential equation. Second sum, y equal to c into x minus c whole square. So it's a differentiate with respect to x. It's a one time differentiate, then arbitrary constant c is cancelled, or we should find out the c value and substitute in this equation. This is the first equation we should take. It's a differentiate with respect to x, dy divided by dx equal to c into x minus c whole square differentiate, then x square, then 2x. We know that the same we should use the x minus c whole square is 2 into x minus c. Again x differentiate, then what is 1. So dy divided by dx equal to 2c into x minus c. Constant we should write first. So 2c into x minus c. This is the equation number 2. So 1 divided by 2 we should find out. 1 divided by 2 common terms are cancelled. Y equal to y divided by left hand side dy divided by dx equal to c into x minus c whole square divided by here 2c divided by 2c into x minus c. Here c common cancel, x minus c one time is cancelled, x minus c whole square. What is the y divided by dy divided by dx equal to x minus c divided by 2. So now cross multiple we should find out the c value. Cross multiple then 2y divided by dy divided by dx equal to x minus c. C we should take left, this term we should take right. C equal to minus c is we should take left then plus c equal to x. This is a plus value we should take right hand side then minus 2y divided by dy divided by dx. This is a c value. This is the equation number 3. Substitute c value 3 in what is a 1. The first equation we should substitute. So what is here c value we should substitute here. Y equal to c is what, x minus 2y divided by dy divided by dx into x minus c whole square is x minus c, x minus c value minus x, minus into minus is what, plus 2y divided by dy divided by dx whole square. So now x minus x is cancel. Y equal to x minus 2y divided by dy divided by dx into 2y divided by dy divided by dx. Now we should square here. It's taking the LCM. Y is equal to x into dy divided by dx minus 2y whole divided by dy divided by dx into 2y whole square is 4y square divided by dy divided by dx whole square. Now dy divided by dx into dy divided by dx whole square into dy divided by dx is multiple then y into dy divided by dx whole cube. Multiple and take left, dy divided by dx whole cube equal to what is the x into dy divided by dx minus 2y into 4y square. So multiple this y into dy divided by dx whole cube equal to multiple then 4y square xy square, x into y square 4xy square dy divided by dx minus 2 fours are 8 y into y square is y cube 8y cube. We should take left, y into dy divided by dx whole cube minus 4xy square into dy divided by dx minus take left hand side then plus 8y cube. That's all the differential equation. Y into it's equal to 0. So y into divided by dx whole cube minus 4xy square into divided by dx plus 8y cube equal to 0. Now y we should divide by y. Then what is here? Divided by dx whole cube minus 4x y into divided by dx. Y and y square is cancelled, so y plus 8 y cube and y cancel, then y square, 8 y square equal to 0. Third sum, form the differential equation by eliminating alpha and beta from x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. Here two arbitrary constant, alpha, another one is beta. So we should differentiate two times. Derivative is what? First time differentiate, then dy divided by dx. Next differentiate, then d square y divided by dx square. Differentiate, then it is alpha and beta values are eliminate, or we should find out that value and substitute, then alpha and beta are eliminate. So given x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. This is the equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate, then what is there? 2 into x minus alpha whole square. So square is a multiple, then what is the 2 into x minus alpha? X differentiate, then what is the 1 plus y minus beta whole square. Differentiate, then 2 into y minus beta, y differentiate, then dy divided by dx. Constant r square differentiate, then what is the 0. So we should multiply by 1, then what is here? 2 into x minus alpha plus 2 into y minus beta into dy divided by dx equal to 0. We should divide by 2. 2 is the common, so we should divide by 2. Then what is the x minus alpha plus y minus beta into dy divided by dx equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Differentiate with respect to x again. Here also differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, then what is the differentiate, then x minus alpha differentiate, then what is the 1. So 1 plus y minus beta, this is a uv model. First one u takes same y minus beta, dy divided by dx differentiate, then d square y divided by dx square plus dy divided by dx, take a y minus beta differentiate, then beta is a constant 0, so y differentiate, then dy divided by dx equal to 0. So 1 plus y minus beta into d square y divided by dx square plus dy divided by dx into dy divided by dx is a dy divided by dx whole square equal to 0. So we should find out y minus beta value now. Y minus beta into d square y divided by dx square equal to, these two terms we should take right hand side, minus 1 minus dy divided by dx whole square. So d square y divided by dx square we should take right hand side, y minus beta equal to, minus is a common, take out a minus of 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square divided by, this is a multiple this side, take right hand side, then becomes divided, d square y divided by dx square. So this is the equation number 3. We should substitute equation number 3 in 2, then we should find out x minus alpha value. So substitute 3 in 2. So what is here? X minus alpha. We know that y minus beta value we should substitute here. What is the minus of plus into minus is a minus 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square into dy divided by dx equal to 0. Now we should find out the x minus alpha value. So x minus alpha equal to, we should take this is the right hand side, 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square divided by dx whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square into dy divided by dx. This is the x minus alpha value. So this is the y minus beta value. This is the equation number 4. We should substitute the 3 and 4 values in the first equation. Substitute the equation number 3 and 4 in 1. In the first equation we should substitute these values. So y x minus alpha value is what? X minus alpha value 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square divided by t square y divided by dx square into dy divided by dx whole square, x minus alpha value. Next show plus y minus beta whole square value, y minus beta minus of 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square whole square equal to r square. Now it's a square, then 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square into dy divided by dx whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square whole square plus, it's a square, then minus is a plus 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square whole square equal to r square. Here d square y divided by dx square whole square, d square y divided by dx square whole square is a common, and take right hand side, r square into its multiple this side. Remaining is 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square dy divided by dx whole square plus 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square dy divided by dx whole square whole power 2 equal to r square into, it's take the LCM is under right hand side also. So what is here? d square y divided by dx square whole square. These terms are LCM, we should take under right hand side, we should multiple r square into d square divided by dx square, d square y divided by dx square into whole square, we should multiple this side. Next these two terms which is common, 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square is a common, take out. 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square, and the square is a common, remaining is a here remaining is what, dy divided by dx whole square plus this is a one time, so 1 equal to r square into d square y divided by dx square whole square. So 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square into dy divided by dx whole square plus 1, both are same. So we should multiply this 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square. We should write in this form what is 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square equal to r square into d square y divided by dx square whole square. We should multiply, this is the same form, square and one terms is multiple, then cube. 1 plus dy divided by dx whole square whole power 3 equal to r square into d square y divided by dx square whole square. That's all the differential equation. Fifth sum, form the differential equation that represents all parabolas, each of which has a latus rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis. Solution: equation of the family of parabolas with latus rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis is y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Here k and h are center of the parabola. K and h are center of the parabola. It's remove this k and h and find out the differential equation now. It's a differentiate with respect to x. What is 2 into y minus k? It's a differentiate, then what is here? 2 is a multiple, 2 into y minus k. Y differentiate, then what is here? dy divided by dx equal to 4a is the constant. X differentiate, then what is the 1? H differentiate, then 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So we should divide by 2. What is y minus k into dy divided by dx equal to 2a. 4a into 1 is what? 4a. 4a divided by 2 is what? 2a. 2a we should take this is the equation number 1. It's a differentiate with respect to x. X, then what is uv model? U is take same, y minus k is dy divided by dx differentiate, then d square y divided by dx square plus dy divided by dx is take, it's a y minus k differentiate, then y differentiate, then dy divided by dx, k differentiate, then 0, leave it. 2a differentiate, then 0. So we should find out the y minus k value now. Y minus k into d square y divided by dx square equal to, this is we should take right hand side, multiply dy divided by dx. Dy divided by dx is what? Dy divided by dx whole square. Take right hand side, then minus dy divided by dx whole square. So d square y divided by dx square, take right hand side, y minus k equal to minus dy divided by dx whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square. So this is the equation number 2. Substitute equation number 2 in 1. we should y for y minus k, we should substitute here. So y minus k value, we know that what is the dy divided by dx whole square divided by d square y divided by dx square into dy divided by dx equal to 2a. Now this is a cross multiple here. This is a dy divided by dx whole square multiple, then dy divided by dx whole cube minus is a symbol equal to 2a into d square y divided by dx square. So now we should take this is a right hand side. Right hand side we should take so what is 2a into d square y divided by dx square. This is take right hand side, then minus values is what plus dy divided by dx whole cube equal to 0. That's all the differential equation, which is the required differential equation. Find the differential equation of the family of parabola with focus at the origin and axis along the x-axis. Solution: equation of family of parabola with focus at the origin and axis along the x-axis is y square equal to 4a into x plus a. So focus is minus a comma 0. So y square equal to 4a into x plus a is the equation. It's a differential, eliminate a value here. We should find the equation. It's a differentiate with respect to x. What is the 2y? Y square differentiation then 2y into y differentiation then dy divided by dx equal to 4a into x differentiate then what 1 plus a differentiate then what is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So 2y dy divided by dx equal to 4a. This is the equation number. This is the 1. This is 2 equation number. So now we should find out a value. So we should divide by 2. Then 2 is a cancel. Y into dy divided by dx equal to 4a divided by 2 is what 2a. Here we should find out. So we should take 2 is a left side y by 2 into dy divided by dx equal to a. Therefore a equal to y by 2 into dy divided by dx. This is the equation number 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. In the first equation we should substitute 4a value and a value we should substitute in the first equation. So what is the y square equal to 4a value, we know that 2y into dy divided by dx. 2y into dy divided by dx into x plus a. A value is y by 2 into dy divided by dx. Y by 2 into dy divided by dx. Now y square equal to, we should multiply inside 2xy dy divided by dx plus 2 cancel. Y into y is y square. Dy divided by dx into dy divided by dx is dy divided by dx whole square. So we should take these terms one side. This is take right hand side 2xy into dy divided by dx plus y square dy divided by dx whole square minus y square equal to 0. Now we should divide by y. All the terms y is a common, so we should divide by y. What is a 2x into dy divided by dx plus y divided then y square divided by y is what? Y dy divided by dx whole square minus y square divided by y is what? Y minus y equal to 0. That's all the required equation. Exercise 4.2 first sum. Solve dy divided by dx equal to a e power y. Given dy divided by dx equal to a e power y. Separating the variables, what is the dy e power y, we should take left dy divided by e power y equal to a into dx cross multiply here dx. dy term separate, dx term separate. It's integrate on both sides. Integrating both sides, integral dy divided by e power y equal to integral a into dx. So e power y we should take numerator, integral e power minus y into dy equal to a is a constant, take out a into integral dx. Now integrate then e power minus y, integrate then what is the e power minus y divided by minus 1 equal to a into dx, integrate then x plus constant is a c we should take. So e power minus y is divided by minus 1 is a minus e power minus y equal to ax plus c. So we should take this is the right hand side, ax plus e power minus y plus c equal to 0. That's all the equation. Second sum, 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus y equal to xy into dy divided by dx. Solution, given 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus y equal to xy into dy divided by dx. Separating the variables, separating the variables, 1 plus x square, x terms we should take left, divided by x into dx. So take x divided by dx, we should take, then it's a reciprocal, what is there, dx divided by x equal to y into 1 plus y, we should take right hand side, then what is there, becomes multiply y into 1 plus y into dy. So 1 plus x square into dx, x multiple, then this side becomes divide. Next y into 1 plus y is divide here, take right hand side, what is here, multiply y into 1 plus y into dy. Now integrating on both sides, it's separate, we should take 1 by x plus x square divided by x into dx equal to multiple then y plus y square into dy. Now x and x square cancel, so 1 by x plus x into dx equal to y plus y square into dy. integrating on both sides. This is the integral 1 by x plus x into dx equal to integral y plus y square into dy. Now integrate 1 by x integrate, then what is here? Log x plus x integrate, then x square divided by 2 equal to y integrate, then y square divided by 2 plus y square integrate, then y cube divided by 3 plus c. That's all. Second sum, solve y into 1 minus x into dy divided by dx equal to 0. Solution, given y into 1 minus x into dy divided by dx equal to 0. We should take this is a right hand side. Y into 1 minus x equal to minus value, we should take right hand side, then plus x into dy divided by dx. So now separating the variables, separating the variables, 1 minus x, x terms we should take left, 1 minus x divided by x into dx. 1 minus x, x multiple this side, take left hand side, what is becomes divide. This is a divide, we should take left hand side multiple equal to y, we should take right hand side 1 by y into dy. Now integrating on both sides, first one we should separate, we should take 1 by x minus x by x into dx equal to 1 by y into dy. Now 1 by x cancel, 1 is the value, minus 1 into dx equal to 1 by y into dy. Integrating on both sides, both sides, integrate, what is there? Integral 1 by x minus 1 into dx equal to integral 1 by y into dy. Now integrate 1 by x integrate, then what is the log x minus 1 into dx is the dx integrate, then what is the x equal to integral 1 by y dy integrate, then what is the log y plus constant is a log c. That's all. Log c we should write c, log x minus x equal to log y. Log c is a constant, so what is the c also we should write. Fourth sum, solve cos x into 1 plus cos y into dx minus sin y into 1 plus sin x into dy equal to 0. Given cos x into 1 plus cos y into dx equal to minus sin y into 1 plus sin x into dy equal to 0. This is we should take a right hand side, cos x into 1 plus cos y into dx equal to sin y minus is a plus right hand side, sin y into 1 plus sin x into dy. Now separating the variables, separating the variables. So what is the x terms we should take left, y terms we should take right hand side. So cos x divided by 1 plus sin x into dx equal to sin y. This side multiple we should take a right hand side, becomes divide 1 plus cos y into dy. Integrating on both sides, integral cos x divided by 1 plus sin x into dx equal to integral sin y divided by 1 plus cos y into dy. Put 1 plus sin x equal to t we should take. 1 plus sin x is a t. It's a differentiate with respect to x, then 1 is a constant, differentiate 0, sin x differentiate, then cos x equal to cos x into dx equal to t differentiate, then dt. Next row, put 1 plus cos y equal to s we should take. So differentiate, then 1 differentiate, then 0, cos y differentiate, then minus sin y into dy equal to s differentiate, then ds. Minus we should multiple by minus here, minus into minus plus sin y dy equal to minus ds. We should substitute here integral cos x dx is, we know that cos x dx is what, dt. dt divided by 1 plus sin x is what, t. So t equal to integral sin y dy is sin y dy is what, minus ds. Minus ds divided by 1 plus cos y is 1 plus cos y is what, s. So yes, now integrate here, integral dt divided by t is log t equal to integral minus ds divided by s. Minus is a constant, so minus 1 like this, ds divided by s integrate, then log s plus constant we should take, both are log, so log c we should take it, log c. So log t equal to log, we know that the formula log a minus log b equal to log a by b is the formula. So same we should use minus log x plus minus log s plus log c. So log c by s. So remove this log on both sides, t equal to what is c by s. So s cross multiple, then t s equal to c. So we should substitute this value t and s value. T is 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x into s is 1 plus cos y, 1 plus cos y equal to c. That's all. Sixth sum, solve the first one. Dy divided by dx equal to y into sin 2x. Given solution, dy divided by dx equal to y into sin 2x. Separating the variables, So what is the dy y is we should take left dy divided by y equal to sin 2x into dx we should take right hand side into dx. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating both sides. What is the integral? dy divided by y equal to integral sin 2x into dx. Integrate then integral dy divided by y is what? Log y equal to integral sin 2x dx is what? Minus cos 2x divided by 2 is the formula, plus constant is the c. That's all. The second sum, solve log dy divided by dx equal to ax plus by. So given log dy divided by dx equal to ax plus by. Taking exponential form on both sides, e power log dy divided by dx equal to e power ax plus by. Exponential form. Exponential form and log form is cancelled. dy divided by dx equal to e power ax plus by. dy divided by dx equal to, we should write e power m plus n equal to e power m into e power n is the formula. Same we should use here, e power ax into e power by. Separating the variables, dy terms we should take left, dy divided by e power by equal to e power ax into dx. Now integrating on both sides, what is the integral? dy divided by e power by equal to integral e power ax into dx. E power by we should take a numerator, then what is the integral e power minus by into dy equal to integral e power ax into dx. The denominator we should take a numerator, then its power is what? Minus sign. Integrate then e power minus by divided by minus b equal to e power ax divided by a plus constant term is a c we should take it. So this is we should take right hand side, e power ax divided by a plus e power minus by divided by b plus c equal to 0. That's all. Seventh sum, find the curve whose gradient at any point O on it is x minus a divided by y minus b and which passes through the origin. Given gradient means dy divided by dx equal to x minus a divided by y minus b. Now separate the variables, y minus b we should take left hand side, y minus b into dy equal to x minus a into dx. Now integrating on both sides, integral y minus b into dy equal to integral x minus a into dx. Now integrate then y square divided by 2 minus b integrate then by equal to x integrate then x square divided by 2 a integrate then minus ax plus c is the constant. We should multiply by 2 then 2 cancel y square minus 2by equal to x square 2 cancel x square minus 2ax plus 2c. This is a constant. 2c is what? C. We should write y square minus 2by equal to x square minus 2ax plus c. Capital C we should write a constant. It passes through, given it passes through what is the origin. Origin means at 0, 0. So we should substitute x is 0, y is also 0. This is the equation number 1. Substitute x 0, y 0. Then what is here? Y 0, then 0, 0 equal to 0, 0. Therefore what is c equal to 0 equal to 0 plus c. Therefore c equal to what is 0. Substitute from 1. From 1. This equation is what? Y square minus 2by equal to x square minus 2ax. C values is 0 plus 0. So y square minus 2by equal to x square minus 2ax. So both sides listen here. B square we should add and subtract, then it is a plus b whole square formula we should, a minus b whole square formula we should use. So y square minus 2by plus b square minus b square we should add and subtract. Here x square minus 2ax, a square we should add and subtract, plus a square minus a square. So this is a minus b whole square formula we should use. What is here? Y minus b whole square is what? Y square minus 2by plus b square minus b square equal to, this is it's also a minus b whole square formula. So x minus a whole square, x minus a whole square is x square minus 2ax plus a square minus a square. This minus b square we should take right hand side. Y minus b whole square equal to x minus a whole square minus a square plus b square. That's all the equation.